Hey, where? Hey, sir.
Good job reading the entrance range.
On your stomach now! On your stomach!
On May 7th, 2024, chaos erupted in Columbus, Ohio, as Whitehall police tracked down 2 suspects who had stolen a vehicle involved in an aggravated robbery. What followed was a wild chase through the streets of Whitehall and Columbus.
He's just making a U-turn. We're going to go southbound on Georgia, south on Georgia. 631 up to 640.
Thank you.
Be there for 604, be there as well.
604 to Channel 3.
We're still southbound Georgia Road. It's going to be coming up to area of Walmart. And they come to get the I just turned back eastbound on Klein from Georgeville, eastbound Klein. That's still on raising the wedge with the sticks. Go to B, going up to Demarest. Single was northbound, I think. Yeah, northbound. Northbound Demarest. Just like, dude, I got sick over my eyes. Right? He's going to be inside of this shopping mall. He's going to have to out on Demarest. Like northbound.
Let's blow through here. Go through it. Go through it.
Take me eastbound.
I can't see.
When you head towards Harrisburg Pike here.
I can't see, bro.
Initially, the suspect sped away in a stolen Hyundai, but things quickly escalated. After crashing head-on into a police cruiser and damaging 3 others, the suspects didn't stop. They stole another car, continuing their reckless pursuit. Officers had to act fast to bring the chase to an end, using a pit maneuver that sent the stolen car crashing into a tree.
Good job reading the entrance way to the football stadium. Your left, Mount Street, or southbound.
Get out, get out.
The two teens, already known for a history of stolen cars, were taken into custody and are now being held in juvenile detention. Their reckless actions have left a trail of destruction, but thanks to swift police action, the chase was finally brought to an end. On April 6, 2024, in Los Angeles, California, early morning hours took a dangerous turn when officers from the West Valley Division came across a gray 2019 Lamborghini Huracan, stopped at a red light on Sherman Way. As they approached, they realized the driver was asleep behind the wheel.
827 southbound on approaching Moore Park at Code 37.
How's it going, man?
Good.
Do you have a driver's license on you? And registration for the vehicle? Is the vehicle in park? Yeah?
5827 southbound San Jose, approaching Ventura.
Do you know why I pulled you over? Huh?
5827 southbound Ventura, approaching Ventura.
Well, when you were asleep at the light, I was right next to you. I put my spotlight on you, man. You were asleep at the light. You're visiting out here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And do you have registration for the vehicle? Is the vehicle yours, sir? It's a what? A rental? Oh, okay. Where are you headed to? Where's home? Where's home?
Right here.
Alright, just hang tight for me. Call out, we're just gonna. Hey, Hey, sir. Can you do me a favor? Can you step out of the car for me? What's going on? I just need to verify your license, man. That's it.
I just gave you my license.
Huh? I need to verify it. I need you to step out of the car for me, okay?
I just gave it to you. I know.
I understand that. I need you to step out of the car for me. Sir?
I'm not from out here.
I understand that. I need you to step out of the car for me. You gave me a different thing. What is that one? That's your license? Can I see that one? Okay, let me see that one. Okay. Regardless, I need you to step out of the car.
You have my license.
Sir, I need you to step out of the car right now.
What do I do, sir?
I'll explain in a second. I need you to step out of the car for me.
Waking the driver, the 51-year-old Elliot Duggan, and discovering he had multiple felony warrants and was driving a stolen vehicle, the officers attempted to arrest him. But in a sudden turn of events, Duggan sped off, igniting a high-speed pursuit. Within seconds, he lost control of the Lamborghini, crashing violently into the center median of trees.
I will tell you once you're out of the vehicle. I need you out of the vehicle.
I don't have to be out of the vehicle. You have to tell me first, so that's real long. I know. I'm real long.
Okay. I understand that, and I know the law as well. I need you out of the vehicle first, please.
No, I'll have to stay out the vehicle first. First.
Sir, I understand that, and I do too.
Sir,
Okay. I need you to come out of the vehicle, okay?
I know the law. I believe my license.
I understand that. I need you to come out of the vehicle right now.
So you tell me I know the law.
Okay, I know the law as well. Look, we're going to go back and forth this. I have a bunch of units responding.
This is a regular traffic stop, right?
This was a regular traffic stop and then it turned into something else.
What is it?
This vehicle is stolen. I need you to come out of the car. This vehicle that you're driving is stolen.
No, I'm not. I rented this vehicle, sir.
Okay, I need you to step out of the vehicle.
I rented this vehicle.
Okay, well, we need to double check and verify things, but I need you out of the vehicle in the meantime. It is stolen.
No.
Hey, stop!
Units responding to Yolanda, Truman Way, 1083, requesting a unit code 100, 1 west of Yolanda with the spike strips.
Where's he going? You might. 1047 pursuit, stolen vehicle. It's going Venus crash, UTC. Vehicle STC on Sherman Way and Van Alden.
There's no frequencies, stand by, 1047 is in pursuit, 5277.
Tell he's got me inside this mess.
Let me have the frequency. Vehicle is TC'd, major TC damage. Let me get an RA starting to roll. I need traffic shut down for westbound traffic on Sherman Way. I can't tell, dude. Oh, wait.
No, negative.
No, I can't tell, but this is the other half of the car.
Next door to vehicle, 0 way, eastbound, 67, shutting down eastbound, Bangor, 0.
Clear the
Shutting down eastbound traffic, come back to 0 way.
Hey, did you guys see anyone run? Did you see anyone run?
Hey, I didn't see nobody run. It's because we were just inside.
Alright, cool.
Hey, we heard everything.
Just hang out on the sidewalk for me.
1070, Roger.
I don't.
1083, verify suspect in custody.
83 negative, he wasn't inside the vehicle.
Hey, I need you folks to stay over there.
The crash was horrible. The gun was ejected from the vehicle and later found several hundred feet away. Despite efforts from paramedics, he was pronounced dead at the scene. The wreckage from the crash caused damage to several parked cars along Sherman Way, marking the end of a deadly pursuit that left a trail of destruction. On February 13, 2024, in Seattle, Washington, a crime spree began when officers were investigating reports of two boys walking around with a handgun. This led to a carjacking call that set the stage for a dramatic series of events later that year.
Approaching Winona and Aurora, about 75th Aurora, still southbound, 75 miles an hour.
Yeah, that front wheel's disabled. Be ready for it. Get out of the car! Don't run! Hands! 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 He's got a gun!
Oh, they got my fire.
Stop! Take it. I got right! Drop the gun! Don't bleed! Stop! Let me see your hands! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Here!
The pursuit ended with the two boys, ages 12 and 13, crashing the stolen Subaru and attempting to flee on foot. They tossed their weapons but were arrested shortly afterward. Now charged with robbery, unlawful possession of a firearm, and attempted eluding police, the young suspects are facing serious charges in juvenile court.